Hi, I'm Jose Paguada, part owner of GI Bins, work for Van Kampen Trucking.
Jose, what do you talk to us a little bit? What do you got going on here?
Well, we used a two-step today on this truck right here. It's a gravel truck for Van Kampen Trucking. It's a super train. We just wanted to get it nice and clean and as fast and efficient as possible.
So you used a two-step tonight?
Yes, we did.
And how often do you use a two-step versus how often you brush? How do you differentiate between the two?
I guess it all depends on the driver. If he's a little old school, if he likes a little elbow grease and just scrubbing it, or versus a guy that doesn't really, I wouldn't say care, but
less picky?
Yes, picky, correct, yes. So we use a two-step on that. It cuts the time in half by like an hour and 15, 20 minutes.
So you're down from like almost two and a half.
So I'm like from 2 hours 30, 2 hours 40 with the scrub for a set of super trains, down to like an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes on a two-step.
I kind of liked how earlier you were talking about how you use the two-step to kind of like, while it's working, you're able to do other stuff.
Yes.
Explain a little bit about that.
Well, if I'm two-stepping and I'm on one side of the truck, I can start unlatching the hood while I'm still two-stepping. I finish getting around the truck to the other side, unlatch the other one while I'm still have one hand free to unlatch the other side of the hood. So when I get to the back of the cab, put in the two-step on there. Therefore, I let the two-step work, and I can pop
do its thing. Well, otherwise,
yes,
you're brushing that whole
exactly.
time.
Let it do its thing. Let it activate. Let the soap do its job. I can open the hood, start with the degreaser. 3 minutes went by. I can go back to the other side and start rinsing it off.
Yeah, that's awesome. Do you recommend that people use Image wash products?
Oh yeah, highly.
Systems, the chemicals, all.
Yeah. So I was very old school. Before I was introduced with this, I was like, oh, this guy's just trying to sell me something, and, this isn't gonna work, but I gave it a shot. I don't know what got in me that day to give it a shot, but I was just like, I was set in my ways. Wasn't gonna change my way of thinking on the product that I was already using.
Of course, yeah,
so when I jumped on it and I used it, I was like, wow, it really works. And then I just let it be, and I was using the product that I had. Then the Image started reaching out to me. Hey, how'd you like it? They were doing their homework. If they want to know if I was happy, there was any other aspect that they could correct the product and the equipment that I bought from them. And I said, no, it's flawless. It's dummy proof. You can't mess it up. You cannot. You don't have to be a detailer that's been detailing for 20 plus years. You can just read the instructions and use it and get the same results that that somebody has been doing it for 25 plus years. Use the product for my business plus here in the evenings. We love it. We wouldn't do without it. We just if you ever need anything done, call Image Wash Products as far as washing your equipment, not just equipment, construction equipment. It works great on that. I've used it as well. So give them a shout. If you need your bin washed as well, call GI Bins. We'll hook you up, your trash bin at home. We'll wash it up, we'll sanitize it and deodorize it and get you on your way.
Thanks, Jose.
No problem, bud.
Salud.